Welcome to Student Engagement and Leadership at Lakeland. College can offer an array of amazing experiences beyond the classroom. At Lakeland, we heartily encourage our students to participate in the many clubs and events offered through Student Engagement and Leadership. These groups provide a wonderful way to meet new people and make lots of friends on campus. They also supply the perfect setting to follow a passion and share that excitement with others. The things that speak to your heart or the leisure activities you enjoy the most can really connect you with other students who feel the same way. At Lakeland, join one of our 30+ student clubs and organizations. Or if you can't find something you like, let's start a new one together. By getting involved in campus activities, you open the door to grow as a person. Along with your classmates, you can participate in all kinds of activities on campus or in the community that build really valuable skills. For example, planning an event means you will learn how to organize a project, you'll work with the team on an important initiative, coordinate the details, and then fine-tune how you communicate valuable information. Some of the more popular activities include our Emerging Leaders program, the fan favorite and community favorite annual Halloween party, and our alternative spring break opportunity. You'll gain impressive leadership skills within the supportive framework Lakeland offers. Plus, you'll accumulate the kind of background that employers want to see on your resume, and have fun while you're doing it. A great college journey is adorned with memorable experiences. Lakeland offers many ways to flourish as you progress through your education. While you're expanding your mind in the classroom, why not enrich other aspects of your life? We can help you amplify who you are and propel you toward the future you desire.